Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 20C from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 2. The diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. Find its first part circumference, second part area. बहुत easy है. Write down the given first. For a circle, we know the diameter is 28 centimeter. Let's find out the radius as well because we need to find out the area. Okay, so R is D by 2, which is 28 by 2, which is 14 centimeter. Okay, first we need to find out the circumference. तो circumference के लिए कोई भी एक फॉर्मूला यूज करो, either pi d or 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference, I am taking pi d. Okay, so it is 22 upon 7 into d is 28. 7 4s are 22 into 4 88 हो जाएगा. सेंटीमीटर, डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. तो circumference मिल गया. ओके, second part area. Area of circle is pi r squared. So it is 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Okay. So that will be 22 into 28. Okay. So 28 into 22 find out करते हैं. 2 8s are 16. 5 0. So we'll get 616 square centimeter. Okay, so area भी मिल गया. Box the values, don't forget the units. Okay, next question, question number 3. The circumference of a circular field is 308 meter. Find its first part radius and second part area. ये भी बहुत easy है. Write down the given first. For a circular field, circumference दिया है, it is 308 meter. Circumference is 2 pi r. Right? So I can say 2 pi r is 308. Solving this, I'll get the value of radius. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 308. Numbers को shift करते हैं. So r is 308 into 7 upon 2 into 22. The numbers in denominator will go in numerator and जो numerator में है वो denominator में जाएगा. Okay. So 2 15s are 2 4s are 2 11s are 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are. Okay, so 11 7s are 77. तो 7 into 7 हो जाएगा 49 मीटर. सर्कमफेरेंस मीटर में दिया है, रेडियस भी मीटर में होगा. डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट मिल गया, रेडियस मिल गया, इट इज 49 मीटर. बॉक्स द आंसर. सेकेंड पार्ट एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. Area of the circle is pi r squared. So it is 22 upon 7 into r is 49. So 49 का square, which is 49 into 49. Okay. 7 7s are. So that gives 154 into 49. 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48, 9 plus 4 13, right? 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. So 7546 स्क्वायर मीटर. डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. बॉक्स कर दो आंसर को. सो एरिया भी मिल गया. ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The sum of the circumference and diameter of a circle is 116 meter. Find its radius. So for a circle, we are given some condition. For a circle, we are told that sum of the circumference and diameter is equal to 116 meter. This is given to us and we need to find out the radius. ये भी बहुत easy है. Diameter and circumference का sum दिया है. So let's take circumference as pi d. Okay. So C is pi d. Pi d plus d is equal to 116. Taking d common, bracket में क्या बचेगा? Pi plus 1 is equal to 116. Pi का वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. d into 22/7 plus 1, 116. ठीक है. Taking LCM, so 22 plus 7/7, so that gives 29/7. Right. Shifting the numbers on the other side, d is equal to 116 into 7/29. Reciprocal हो जाएगा. Okay. 29 into what will give me 116? So 9 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है लास्ट में? 9 4s are 36. So 29 into 4 देखते हैं. So 9 4s are 36. 4 2s are 8. 9 10 11. So yes, 29 4s are. So d is equal to 28 meter. Okay. So diameter 28 मिल रहा है. Radius find out करना है. Radius is d by 2, which is 28 by 2. So which is going to be 14 meter. Box the answer. Write down the statement. The radius of the circle is 14 meter. Okay. What you could have done was circumference. You can take 2 pi r. Okay. And जो d है उसको 2r ले लो और ये सॉल्व करके डायरेक्टली रेडियस मिल जाएगा. ओके. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने क्या किया? डायमीटर पहले फाइंड आउट किया, फिर रेडियस फाइंड आउट किया. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं c को 2 पाई r ले लूँ, d को 2r ले लूँ एंड सॉल्व करूँ तो डायरेक्टली रेडियस का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. ऑल राइट. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The radii of two circles are 25 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So there are two circles given जिसका radius दिया है. Okay. So let's number the circle as circle 1 and circle 2. Okay. So for circle 1, you're given the radius. It is 25 centimeter. Okay. For circle 2, again radius is given. It is 18 centimeter. Okay. Now you need to find out the radius of the third circle. Okay. There is another circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So there is a third circle जिसका रेडियस नहीं पता है. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस, बट यू आर टोल्ड दैट द circumference of this third circle, it is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles, that is sum of the circumferences of circle 1 and circle 2. Okay, so it is equal to C1 plus C2. ये सॉल्व करके मुझे R3 फाइंड आउट करना है. बहुत इजी है. circumference C1 will be 2 pi R1. circumference C2 will be 2 pi R2. Okay. And same way C3 will be 2 pi R3. According to given condition, we know that C3 is equal to C1 plus C2. Okay, so 2 pi R3 is equal to 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 2 pi कॉमन ले लेते हैं, R1 plus R2. ओके, 2 pi कैंसिल हो गया, सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ R3 is equal to R1 plus R2. So R3 will be equal to R1 is 25 and R2 is 18. So R3 will be equal to 43. Correct? सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज ये दोनों रेडियस सेंटीमीटर में दिया है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर में होगा. So got the value. Okay. Don't forget the statement. The radius of the required circle is 43 centimeter. Question number 6. The radii of two circles are 48 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Find the area of the circle which has its circumference equal to the difference of the circumferences of the given two circles. There are two circles जिसका radius दिया हुआ है. Okay. So let's number the circle. तो for circle 1 radius क्या है? R1 is 48 centimeter. Okay. For circle 2 radius R2 is 13 centimeter. Okay. This is the given information. Find the area of the circle which has its circumference equal to the difference of the circumferences of the given two circles. एक थर्ड सर्कल है जिसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो देयर इज अ सर्कल 3. ओके, जिसका एरिया क्या है फाइंड आउट करना है. फॉर एरिया वील यूज फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर, तो आर इज रिक्वायर्ड, रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट. सो फॉर दिस थर्ड सर्कल यू आर गिवन वन कंडीशन. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल विच हैज इट्स सर्कमफेरेंस equal to the difference of the circumferences of the given two circles. So circumference of this third circle, okay, it is equal to the difference of the circumferences of the given two circles. So it is the difference in the circumferences of the two circles. So iska circumference, let's take it as C1, it will be 2 pi R1, and iska circumference C2 will be 2 pi R2, right? Write this down. Okay, after this write down the circle 3 ka information. Okay, so for circle 3 no information is given, actually you are just given the condition. So for circle 3 we need to find out the radius first. radius मिलेगा तो ही area मिलेगा, है ना. तो radius find out करना है. For that you are given some condition. So according to given condition, it states that circumference of the third circle, यहाँ पे लिख लो C3 is equal to 2 pi R3. Okay, so C3 is equal to difference in the circumferences of the two circles. किसका circumference ज़्यादा होगा? Of course जिसका radius ज़्यादा है. So C1 will be more than C2, है ना. So C1 minus C2, okay, take greater minus smaller, okay, negative तो नहीं हो सकता है. So C1 minus C2. So C3 is 2 pi R3, this is 2 pi R1 and 2 pi R2. 2 pi cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, 2 pi cancel हो गया. So we are left with R3 is equal to R1 minus R2. Let's put the values of R1 and R2. Okay. So R3 is equal to 48 minus 13. So it is 35 centimeter. Okay. So radius of third circle we got, R3 मिल गया है. अब area find out करते हैं. So area of the circle 3, it is पाई r3 स्क्वायर. ओके, फॉर्मूला लिखो, फिर ही वैल्यूज पुट करो. 22/7 इंटू 35 इंटू 35, 7 5s are. So 22 into 5 gives 110 into 35. Let's find out the value. 35 into 11. So 385. Okay, एंड पीछे में 0 है, सो 3850 हो जाएगा स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. ओके, so write down the final statement. The area of the required circle is 3850 square centimeter. Let's read the next question. Question number 7. The diameters of two circles are 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having its area equal to sum of the areas of the given two circles. So we are given diameters of two circles. Again we'll number the circles. For circle 1, diameter D1 will be 32 centimeter. Okay, diameter दिया है, radius find out करते हैं because radius will be required. Here we are given the condition of area. So area is pi r squared. Okay, so radius find out करते हैं. R1 will be D1 by 2, which is 32 by 2, which is 16 centimeter. Same way for circle 2. For circle 2, leave some space. Okay, leave one line का space. D2 is 24 centimeter. R2 is D2 by 2, which is 24 by 2, which is 12 centimeter. Again leave one line का space. There is a third circle, right? Find the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of the given two circles. So there is a third circle जिसका radius find out करना है. You need to find out R3 of this circle. Alright, there is a condition given. So according to given condition, I would suggest पहले देखो कैसे solve करना है, then write down. Okay, so according to given condition, for this circle area, so for circle 3, area A3 is equal to sum of the areas of the given two circles. So it is equal to area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2. So it is A1 plus A2. A1 will be pi R1 square. A2 will be pi R2 square. And यहाँ पे A3 will be pi R3 squared. Okay, so that is why I told you to leave space. Now put the formula. Pi R3 squared is equal to pi R1 squared plus pi R2 squared. Pi cancel हो जाएगा. So we are left with R3 squared is equal to R1 squared plus R2 squared. Let's put the values of R1 and R2. R1 is 16 and R2 is 12. So R3 squared is equal to 16 का square is 256 and 12 का square 144. So R3 squared is equal to 400. Correct? Let's take square root on both the sides. So taking square root on both the sides, ये हो जाएगा R3 and 4 का square root 2, दो zeros है, एक हो जाएगा. Okay, so 20 centimeter. Box the answer. Write down the statement. The radius of the required circle is 20 centimeter. Also one more thing, यहाँ पे square root लिया है, so you have to give reason taking square root on both the sides. Alright, so whenever you're taking square root, squaring, taking cube root or cubing, give reason. Alright. Next question, question number 8. The radius of a circle is 5 meter. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is 49 times the area of the given circle. There are two circles. For first circle you are given the radius, and for second circle you need to find out the circumference, and you are given the relation between the area of the two circles. Alright, so let's solve directly. For circle 1, here also we'll number the circles because those circles have. Alright, and we'll put subscript. For first circle subscript 1, for second circle subscript 2. So for circle 1, radius R1 is 5 meter. Alright. For circle 2, you need to find out the circumference. Alright, तो circumference के लिए radius required है और diameter required है. कोई भी एक चीज required है. So I need to find out radius or diameter whose area is 49 times the area of the given circle. So you are given the relation between the areas of the two circles. So इसका area क्या हो जाएगा for circle 1? Area A1 will be pi R1 squared. So that will be pi 5 squared. Okay. So that is nothing but 25 pi. Alright. For circle 2, we need to find out the circumference. And for circumference, we need either radius or diameter. So let's see what we can find out. You are given some condition. According to given condition, find the circumference of the circle whose area. So circumference किसका find out करना है? Circle 2 का. तो circle 2 का area, that is A2, is equal to 49 times the area of the given circle. Given circle is this, circle 1. So it is 49 times, that is 49 into area of the first circle. Easy. So area of second circle will be pi R2 squared, right? And this is equal to 49 into 25 pi, right? Pi cancel कर सकते हैं. So we are left with R2 squared is equal to 49 into 25. You don't need to multiply. Both are perfect squares. So I need to find out the value of R2. Radius find out करना ही है because I need to find out the circumference. So we'll take square root on both the sides. So when we'll take square root on both the sides, ये square हट जाएगा. 49 का square root 7, 25 का square root 5. Alright. So you have to give reason over here taking square root on both the sides. So R2 will be 35 meter. Okay, because यहाँ पे मीटर में था तो ये भी मीटर होगा. Alright. So R2 is 35 meter. Let's find out the circumference, C2. So it will be 2 pi R2, which is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 22, 220 meter. Box the answer, write down the statement. The circumference of the required circle is 220 meter.